under the sun. Cause last the truth must triumph. Oh, yeah. And leave out the faking and keep it real. And
thank you for everything. I appreciate it.
I was so lonely before you came. Now you're going to live with a part of me. Anyway, I really do appreciate the pleasant moment we shared.
You should have told me about her. You shouldn't have let me develop feelings for you.
Sorry about that. It wasn't my fault. The love just happened. My wife died while giving birth.
Oh my goodness. Your wife is dead?
She died on the process of that. We were married for 7 years before she got pregnant.
I'm so sorry about that. Why didn't you tell me she's dead?
I don't just like talking about it. I don't like talking about it.
It's okay. I am so sorry about that. Don't worry, I won't leave again. Promise to stay here and make you happy. And possibly introduce you to my people in London. If that would be okay by you.
I'm happy. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I appreciate it.
It's okay.
Wow.
So can you get my things from the trunk?
Of course I will.
Thank you.
Dona.
Miko, my friend.
Donatus. You now use clean car like this as a cabman. Dona, no wonder you forgot me about me. Your guy. You forgot me.
No, put him like that now. It's not like that, my guy. You know, it's not easy driving from morning till night. Oh, it's not really easy.
Anyway, at least it's better than you're looking better now than before when Nicole kicked you out. Talking about Nicole, have you seen her at all?
Not at all. I don't even want to see her.
Really?
Yes, because I'm really happy now with my new woman.
Dona, you are married?
No, I'm not married. Not yet, but very soon. Yes, very, very soon. The girl, she's intelligent, rich, beautiful, and besides, she's from a rich family. The father owns a big farm in London, and the mother is an international businesswoman. Yes. I mean, my girl is trying to introduce me to her family. Yeah, and I really believe that they're going to accept me.
Accept you?
I believe that I will be accepted in their home.
They won't accept you. It will not work. Do not, I'm your friend. I'll tell you the truth. It won't work.
I don't understand. Is it?
It won't work. Don't you get it?
Why will you say a thing like that?
Because you are poor. Rich men and poor men, they don't connect. That's a fact. Okay, now imagine, you and her, he takes you to meet her parents and he said, Father, meet my husband. Father looks at you and said, who's your father? What do you do for a living? Who is your mother? Blah, 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 several questions. And at the end, poor family. It will not work. All you need to do is to lie. Yes, lie. Tell her your father was once the ex-governor of a certain state. Your father is the king of one land, and your mother is the queen of England even. Tell her lies. Listen, you lie to her. Anointing without money is annoyance.
Do I really have to lie just to woo a woman?
Yes.
She already loved me.
She loved you.
Yeah.
Nicole loved you and she kicked you out. Does that not ring a bell? She kicked you out because you are poor. Nothing to... You don't offer anything on the table. You handsome, you tall, yet she kicked you out. Don't you get it? All you need to do is to lie. I know you have this luck of meeting rich women, but you don't have that brain to keep them. I'm telling you this because you're my good friend. I don't want you to lose another rich woman. Period.
That's your little secret. One day, one way. I am a banana.
What's it now?
Think about it now.
Under the sun, 'cause last, the truth must.
Listen, all I need from you now is to play your role very, very well until they leave for London. And both of you will be handsomely paid. Well paid.
Yeah, Mike. You know we have been doing this kind of thing for a long time. There's no need to entertain doubt. We will do it the way you like.
Good.
Eh?
But please, be very, very careful.
Consider it done.
All you need to do is bring the money. I'll leave the rest for us.
Yes.
As simple as that.
We again.
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. That's lovely. Lovely. I will get you the money.
It's all right.
I'll get you the money. We again.
What's your name?
What's going on? You girls kept me here. I almost left.
So we are sorry. There was traffic. We even had to enter by. True.
Sorry, no problem. I called you girls here for something very important. I have a deal for you. Okay? There's this friend of mine that wants to pretend as a prince from your kingdom. So your duty start immediately once he comes. You're going to worship and respect him as a king. Are you guys in?
Wait. Why would someone want to pretend to be a prince?
He has this rich girlfriend I need to impress and make her believe that he is really a prince. Actually, he has not been lucky with girls recently. And this girl, her parents based in London. So he needs to make them believe that he is a prince and his father is a king. You know these rich people, they love rich in-laws, a well-to-do in-law.
We can do it, oh. We can do it. We know this thing is risky, so what is in for us?
For you?
Yes.
Of course, I'll pay you. I'll give every one of you 20K per day. Is that okay with you?
If you really want us to do this, I mean, if you want us to do this job very well, you have to increase the money. We have rich people involved here. We are talking about London. The guy is going to benefit a lot.
Yes.
You see, talking about benefit, it's not just the money that's going to interest you more. This guy is going to make plans for every one of us to come down to London.
London?
Yes.
Wow.
We'll do it. It's a nice offer, but the money is low. It's too low.
The money is low? Okay, what if I give you girls 30K per day? But first, before the job, I'll give you 15,000 naira first. Then by the end of the job, the remaining 15K, each of you.
Please excuse us, sis. Oh yes, we are going to do it.
You do it?
Do it, yes.
All right, no problem.
Thank you. Please, when are you going to call us?
Well, don't worry, I'll give you a call.
Okay.
Okay?
Please, sir,
Thank
call
you.
us.
Please
oh.
call
Don't
us.
worry.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank
Sure.
you.
All right.
girls. He said that they are going to pay 15,000 naira each, just for a start. And when the job is done, they are going to pay another 15,000 naira, making it 30,000.
The 30,000 naira is not my problem
At all.
The 30,000 naira is not my problem at all. The fact that he is going to make a visa for each and every one of us once he gets to London is the big deal. London. Come on. London.
Wait. 30,000 naira.
Plus visa.
Wait, just for a day job. That 30,000 is not what we aim for a whole month, and we're just getting it for a day. Ikokwa, I'm interested. I am very interested. In fact, when is he bringing the money? Because
Calm down.
Wait. Chelukwa, wait. But wait, why would somebody want to impersonate the king? Are you guys not scared?
Scared of what?
Saint Mary. Me, I don't know why you like acting like one naive bush girl all the time. I don't like it. He's just asking us to resume our normal duties for a day. Pretend that they are the king. It's not even our business. Just 30k. Please, if you know you are in, let me know so that I'll know what I'm doing.
Well, I mean, no, let it don't be as if I'm the one that wants to spoil things for you people. But if trouble comes, I'm not part of you people. Though. People do not see me, don't call my name.
trouble, okay? You're talking about 30,000 naira. You're talking about trouble.
Just say my own. No.
Please.
Let's go.
30k, please don't.
It's not a small money.
Trouble come, don't call me. I'm not part of you. Thank you.
You have to come back tomorrow. The king is not in the right state of mind to talk to you now.
Hey, I can wait for him to come back to the right state of mind. Sir, Biko.
I just told you have to come back tomorrow.
Okay, sir, is there any job menial job I can just be doing till he gets back to his right frame of mind? Eh, Biko? Eleka kwa anume eleka. Anom nan leka, Biko.
Prince, it's time.
What is it? Huh? I told you people that I'm not going to step my foot on that land anymore until I am told what happened to my mother.
Your father is very sick. You must receive the offer from him before he joins his ancestors.
I am not going to step into that palace anymore.
You must receive your father's blessings. Else, you will face terrible omen.
Honey, what's going on?
My love, is okay. I can handle it, okay? I'm going to handle this, okay? Come on. Let's go. Please, just come down.
One day, that game that you are playing, one day, to surely be exposed. One day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no, that's your little secret. One day, though I am a banana, nothing is hidden under the sun. 'Cause last the truth must triumph, oh yeah. And leave out the faking and keep it real. And no God they do pass yourself, yeah. 'Cause last the truth must triumph, yeah. If any person lies out, now I put up with no God they do pass yourself, babe. Because one day, every is hidden under the sun. Hey, na 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 na. Because one day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Hey, na 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 na. Oh, oh. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. That game that you are playing, it will surely be exposed. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no. That's your little secret. One day, one day, do I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
What's going on?
It's
My
a
prince.
normal thing for the royal family. Yeah.
My prince, let's go in. Your dad will be happy to see you.
Okay.
This way.
And now God, they do pass yourself. Yeah. Cause last the truth must triumph. Yeah. If any knows a laser, I put a quiffenana. Oh, no God, they do pass yourself. Hey. Because one day everybody gonna know. Aye, nothing is hidden under the sun. No. Because one day
I never knew that I would set my eyes on you again.
Father, I'm so sorry I walked away.
Oh, that's all right. God knows why. You are welcome, Odyssey.
Thank you, Father. Please, I would want you to meet the love of my life, Adugo. Ada, this is my father.
Greetings, my king.
Oh, Adugo. Oh, you must be a wonderful woman to have bent my son to come back home. I owe you a lot for that. In fact, I have completed the bottling company at Aba, and I would want you to handle that. Your wife will be in charge of the mega pharmacy at Asaba.
Wow.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much.
We will go tomorrow along the express to see the new filling station.
Father, I must apologize for leaving you go through all the stress you're going through in this royal family.
Well, it's nothing. God knows why. In fact, I feel that He prepared you for the big task ahead.
Wow.
Son,
Father.
Today is my birthday. I would like to cut my birthday cake with you. And that's why I invited you.
Ladies, please bring in the items.
that game that you are playing, it will surely be exposed. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no. That's your little secret. One day, one day, do I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause last the truth must triumph. Oh, and leave out the faking and keep it real. And now God, they do pass yourself. Yeah. Cause last the truth must triumph. Yeah. If any knows a laser, I put a quiffenana. Oh, no God, they do pass yourself. Hey. Because one day everybody gonna know. Aye, nothing is hidden under the sun. No, 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 no. Because one day, nothing is hidden under the sun. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 yeah.
Okay, let's toast for long life, peace, prosperity, and good health. Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I will not allow hunger kill me. Never. It will not happen. Eh? In this city, in this town. Wow. I will go back there. If they refuse to give me the driving work, I will lie down there and sleep. By the time they wake up and see me. Jesus. Wow. I go and make them over there because going back there.
I never knew you from a royal home. A wealthy one at that.
I'm human. That is all matters now.
You are an awesome person. And that is why I love you.
I wonder where you've been all this while. And I'm wondering in blindness. You brought light into my life.
Only light ignites light. You are my sunshine. And that is why I love you, Donna.
I love you more. Come on, let me show you around before we leave. Come on.
Leave?
Yes, we are leaving tonight.
But we just got here. I thought we were going to stay back, you know, for some time so that I get to see your people, know them, get acquainted.
We can't. Come on.
No, honey. Please, I'm insisting we stay back.
Yes, sir. I come in search of job. I came to look for jobs, sir.
But we have no job here.
Your Highness.
We don't have a job.
Your Highness, Bikon, please do not deny me of this opportunity. The truth of the matter is that I ought to hear from Anom Nanleka. All straight to jungle justice. I don't have anything on me. Please, you cannot deny me this job. I know there's job in this palace. I beg you in the name of God. Biko, okay, I don't mind going outside to bring people to come and beg. Just for me to have something to be doing. I'm jobless. Biko. Oh. Yes.
Not to worry, we'll give you the job.
Hey, thank you, Your Highness. May you live forever. Oh, thank you.
I hope you can drive very well.
Mua. Hey, Anene was my elder brother, and Mondo Sumbo, the right man. I ain't an eye to Neni Kolotambo. I'm just a good driver. No, I'm a good driver. I was taught how to drive by Anene and Mondo Sumbo. I was taught how to drive by Anene. He was my mentor. And Mondo, I need you as see Binilo Lagos. Reverse.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay, we'll get that before you steal from us.
Okay? The job is yours.
Thank you.
you, sir. Just go, eh?
Thank you, sir. Also, my man, thank you. Very lucky. I'm a lucky star. Lucky star. Lucky Joe.
Are you sure we did not make any mistake by bringing in another person into?
Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Are you sure?
Becca. I'll handle it.
I was scared when he said he would call people from outside to come and beg. You know what that means?
Don't bother yourself, I'll handle it. Yeah, Becca.
Sure.
My guy, I beg, find something for me.
But no be me the kitchen now.
I know now, but collabo follow for promo now. Una don dey before me I come. If you influencer, be a brand influencer, you no go kill. Eh?
What do you mean say make it hungry you? What do you mean say make it hungry you?
You do like fight. No be fight we dey talk about. Food, hunger, dey. Help me, I beg.
No be one thing. Okay, let me help you talk to the cook.
Thank you. Thank you, my guy. Thank you.
Girls, there is a problem.
What is it again?
Our supposed princess says she's no longer living today. That she wants to spend some time with the king and get to know more about our people.
I like it though, because it will attract more payments, more days, more money involved.
You're talking about money. What about the risk involved?
What risk are you talking about?
You don't know that the longer they stay, the more risky it is for us. How about if the prince and the king come back?
I don't think they can just come back like that, unannounced. See, India is not Ghana. They are in India. Before they come back, we won't know, be aware.
If he's right, oh. But on a second thought, we need money. If they are able to pay 30k every day, I don't mind. They can stay from now till infinity. It is none of my business.
I've said my own and I've said it already. If problem come, I'm not part of you people. I'm not involved.
Money is involved.
Oh boy. Okay, dear. My guy. Thank you.
Bring the food first now.
Thank you. You know, say, now for midnight they share election money.
You like food.
So my guy.
Meet our new driver. Have you met him before?
I want to see inside now.
What kind of life is this? Huh? Go in and help me and beg them now. Go. Jesus Christ. I don't want to lose this job. Your Highness.
My daughter, please forgive him. There's nothing more humiliating than what Kama did by making him your subject.
My king. What this guy put me through is so hard for me to forgive. This guy here made me go through. What? How do I even begin to talk about it? He made me go through a lot.
I don't know what's wrong with me. It was as if I was drinking kai-kai in the dream and I'll just come to the real life and be acting it. Eh? Because I'm sorry.
My love, please forgive him. Okay? If you forgive, you heal.
That's right.
My daughter, please forgive him. Forgiveness is part of royalty.
It's okay, my king. I forgive him.
Thank you, Adu. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you, my king. Thank you. The prince. Thank you.
He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful.
What are you still doing here? Are you not supposed to help me with some things?
My friend, I was employed as a driver. I was employed to drive this car, not to help you and I'm more able.
Look, before I close my eyes and open it, you are in that mall.
Okay, you're talking to Tega. Which one be here before you close your eyes? Jesus!
Are you mad? Come on, will you go inside there and get the remaining things?
I mean,
When next you talk to me that way, see what I will do to you.
don't be say strong past me. I broke.
A common driver like you.
Get luck here, say here and I'm all. If you want barabara buru, me and you go barabara buru. No sense. Imagine nonsense. Get luck, say here and I'm all. I don't want to create scene. Any day we will come out from mall, try them. Go. Who be this now? Hello, hello?
Hello.
Who? Who be that?
Yes. Please, I need to meet with you. There's something very important that we need to discuss. Yes, it's really important. Okay, the thing is, I'm pregnant.
You're what? That one concern you. If you're pregnant, go and born the pikin, no? I'm not ready to settle down. I'm not ready.
Hello? Is that all you have to say?
Person where you don't get money. If you know how I did me now, I did very dried. Person don't get 1 naira for pocket, they say you get pregnant. You get pregnant.
I'll forgive you because I brought this up on myself.
If you're pregnant, I beg. I want for my phone. This one where them pick from under or for gutter. What's it give this guy morale to even hit me? Because you're a chief guard. Dirty chief guard. No problems. Na money thunder go fire.
Who is there? Yes?
Nico, please.
What do you want?
Please. I've come to apologize to you, please. See, I've been restless all this while. I have not enjoyed my marriage ever since, please. Nico, please. Please take this thing out of me, please.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Nico, you won't understand what I'm going through. See, I'm passing through this because of what I did to you. Please, Nico, please forgive me. Please. Because you are...
Do you believe in karma?
Yes.
Now go home and enjoy your karma.
Nico, please. Please. Nico, please. Nico, please.
How can this lady come up with this temptation now? Eh? How can she come up with this temptation this time around? Who told her I have money to take care of her and her baby? But wait, she's a beautiful woman. And I think she has small money. Why don't I sell this car and we run away to Ghana, where I can take care of her and our child?
Don't you know your job? Be like if I give you slap, you will help reset this your brain.
Try him. Try the slap. You go no say man na man. Slap me now, you go no. Okay, because you tapped my shoulder the other minute, I kept quiet. Eh? What is your problem? Did you employ me to be your career? I am a driver here. See this one. I'm a graduate, mind the way you talk to me.
Are you the only graduate in this world? Graduate now for your pocket. How more will you go and carry those things there?
Listen, if you are a chief guard, you're a chief guard in your dirty pockets. What is wrong with you, sir? Because you're a chief guard, you're standing like this, and nobody should pass. Eh?
I don't blame you.
Why the time when we're in school, can you stand? What was it today? Any other time you touch me? Yes.
A common driver like you.
Common driver like me. At least I'm better because I'm cruising every now and then. You will be saying, stand and carry, move, zombie. Stop, you stop, move, you move. So they do this thing because of this thing.
Please!
What's the meaning of this? Go, get out from here! Go, get out from this place! Get out from this place! Why are you disturbing the whole neighborhood? Do you want to break my gate down? Please. Don't touch my gate again, else I will call the police to get you arrested.
See, if I leave here, I'm going to kill myself, please.
Really?
Please.
I said get out.
Please.
You want to kill yourself? Go and die!
Please, stop.
Leave my house! Don't touch this gate again, no, don't do that!
Nico, please. Nico, please, stop. Please. Nico, please. I have finished, Nico. Nico.
Hi. Good evening. Someone directed me here that I can find Helen here. I don't know, is she around?
Helen?
Yes, Helen.
Babe! Babe!
Babe!
Someone is here to see you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry up.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
You remember me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking for Tega. I don't know. Do you know where I can find him?
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Okay.
There's something I want to talk to him about. So.
Okay, a cousin of mine who is a cook at the palace told me he now works as a driver there.
A driver?
Yeah.
Sorry, which of the palace?
The same one we all
The one
know.
here?
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. No, it's nothing. It's fine. Driver?
Why is she looking for him? I hope all is well.
I don't know, let's go.
one day. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no. That's your little secret. One day, one day. Do I am a banana? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause last the truth must triumph. Oh, and leave out the faking and keep it real. And no God that do pass yourself. Yeah. Cause last the truth must triumph. Yeah. If any mercilizer, I put up with no God that do pass yourself. Hey. Because one day, everybody go.
Nico, please, forgive me, please. If you don't forgive me, I'll kill myself tonight, please. Please.
Can you just stop?
Please.
I've told you to stop following me. Can you just stop this?
Please, Nicole, please. What will it profit you to see me kill myself
you are
like this?
outside. Can you just stop this?
Please.
Stop following me.
I don't care, please.
I don't want to warn you about
Please,
this
I
again.
don't care, please. Please, Nicole, please don't go. Please don't go. Hey, POS, give me one.
What have I done? Eh? What have I done? Imagine, when will all this embarrassment and insults stop? Are you sure Adogo did not tell these people to be punishing me because of what I did to her?
What are you doing here?
What is the problem? Eh? Can't I be here? I'm just here.
Are you asking me that stupid question? I just asked you a simple question. What are you doing here?
Bros, I am here to clear my head.
To clear off your empty head, I think. So who do you expect to wash that car for you?
I have washed the car before now.
Don't you know that that car wash it 3 times in a day?
Nobody told me this. So.
But I'm telling you now, you better go and wash that car before I report you to the prince.
Bros, why they even attack me? Eh? What did I do you? You know me before. Why did they attack me? Every minute of the day. Me and you, they quarrel before.
Oh, wait. Coming here to tell you what to do is not an attack. You better go and wash that car before I report you to the prince.
No problem. I will wash the car. Is it not? When I wash it, there'll be no problem again.
You better go now and wash it.
I said I will.
Go now and wash it.
So that's why I came to see you.
See, this is not a big deal. Since we have returned the money he paid as bride price, you can go ahead and marry the person you are pregnant for. Huh?
Thank you, Uncle.
Oh,
thank you.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay. Myself, I'm going to somewhere that is very important to me.
Oh, okay.
When I have
take care of yourself.
Okay. Drive gently, oh. Hey. Ngwane wam. Unako wayo. Hey. Mike, why did you hide?
Where do you know her from?
Oh, that lady?
Yes.
She is my brother's daughter. Do you know her?
We live in the same street. I just don't want her to see me at all.
Mike. Are you sure it's just like that?
No, just like nothing much.
Just like that?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, let me go to the point. Why has Donatus not given us more money?
Are you joking with me? What do you mean by that? Oh, you want to eat the money alone, right?
Myself?
Yes!
I swear Donatus has not given me any dime again. Why must I lie to you? I cannot do that.
Are you sure?
I am 100% sure. As old as myself, he has not given me any dime. I only came back because my niece says she wants to see me. Nothing. Oh.
In that case, Donatus is playing with fire. I know what to do.
Please.
I know exactly what to do.
Please, do whatever you know you can do for him to pay us.
We are yet to be paid for our services. Ever since they paid us 15,000 naira and told that we'll get the balance, but till now we've not gotten anything.
Nothing
We need the money.
Yes. Mazi also, if not for the way you spoke to me yesterday, I was ready to expose everything, let everything scatter. What is the meaning of this? This is not our agreement.
It's alright. I'm happy you girls listen to me. You guys should just calm down. Let me go see the prince. I'm sure he will listen to me.
Mazi, we've been holding on.
The way things are going, it's obvious that that prince is broke and he will not give us any more money.
You guys should not worry, eh? Let me go see the prince. I will get back to you, okay?
No problem. Our money is very, very important because we need this money. We need our money.
Why are you shouting? Eh? You have to calm down. She has not given me any money. If I'm able to convince her, then I'll give you some money very soon so you share to your boys. Yes, calm down.
My prince, we need to talk.
What is it?
When are you giving us our money? When are you living here with her? The king or his son will be here anytime soon.
I'll give you some money soon.
That is what you'll be saying. When exactly are you giving us our money?
I will give you your money tomorrow.
Make sure your tomorrow is tomorrow.
I'll do tomorrow. I'll give you.
Hello, my prince. Good afternoon. It's me, Ify. Yes. My prince, when are you coming back? It's fun now. I really missed you. My prince. There's trouble. There's trouble.
Who is there?
I'm looking for Tega, the new driver.
And who are you?
I'm his girlfriend.
Tega! Tega! Where is this guy now? Tega!
Who is that?
Come, someone is looking for you.
Who is that? What are you doing here? Osim, hello. What are you doing, Osim, hello? What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
You came to see me over what? Bros, go now. Did she come to see you? Did she come to see you? Leave, Amibo. So what are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here, Nico?
I meant what I said over the phone.
And listen, I meant what I said over the phone. The answer I gave to you. Just one night stand, Sawaba, and you are pregnant already. Can't you checkmate yourself? What?
I'm serious, it's yours.
Listen, I am serious. It is not mine. Go before you napu munino. Oh, give you broom bubba maya ko enough what is the problem? Eh? Leave. I'm gonna throw you out.
You're pushing me away.
What is going on there?
Donna, don't you dare try to hide your face. So you've gotten another woman to deceive.
Aye.
If not for you and your ungrateful mother, I wouldn't have fallen for this nincompoop. You impotent bastard.
Donna, please, can you explain to me what this lady here is saying?
Baby, come on, let's go inside.
Come on.
Don't let him take you inside and lie to you. Let me explain here.
Don't know your
Baby, please don't listen to this insane woman. Please.
I am not insane. Hello, lady. I am Nicole, his ex-wife. What? Yes. Wife? Donna? I thought you told me your wife is dead. Lies! He's a liar. A chronic one at that. I
kicked him out of the house when I found out he was impotent and once had a failed marriage because of his impotency.
Jesus. Donna.
Please. You better start telling me that this woman here is lying.
Baby. Come on, let's go inside. I will explain to you.
Donna? So in a local. Donna alum local.
Local.
You didn't work me local.
I'm not a local man.
So this is true. You dare come to this sacred place because you want to scam an innocent woman?
Is Donna the scammer?
Because you want to go to London, right?
Impotent.
I bet you are in the wrong palace. Also, Ekwe, you're a disgrace to this kingdom.
Jesus, you going to look at. So, Igwe Bukoyalo.
Yes.
Hold it.
Go on like this man. I told you I would deal with you.
Money for somebody. You will not do what you people agree. Today is your end. Move it. Move.
Stick this bastard away.
Move.
Take him away.
Shut up.
Nonsense.
Move.
Yes, ma.
Now you listen to me. I do not want you to open this gate again without my permission. Do not let any man into this compound again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma.
Else you lose your job. Over.
One day, that game that you are playing, one day, it will surely be exposed. One day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no. Tears has been my fault every day, crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he can never change. Never gonna been my fault every day, crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated? What kind kind of human. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful.
Haven't I warned you not to step your feet into this place again? Listen, I am not interested. And do you know what? Just set my eyes on you again. Understood?
But
deceitful things.
What a life. I made a very big mistake. I should not have succumbed to my mother-in-law's pressure. What will I tell people? How can I be so stupid as to get pregnant for another man while I was still married? What I have been running away from all this time is what is happening to me right now. How can I train this child alone with no man by my side? No happy home. It has always been what I dreamed about. Which man will accept me now with another man's child? God, I've made a very big mistake. I wish I could turn back the hands of time.
Ada, what are you doing to yourself? It's over a year now, yet you don't have a man. You can't keep saying no to this man. You need a man in your life.
I don't need them. They are all the same.
No, they are not. They are not the same. Don't forget, I faced what you passed through with men. But look at me today. I am happily married.
Good for you. As for me, I'm okay without them.
You are not. You are not okay, and you know it. See, I feel your pains and anger. But don't forget the reason you left London to this place, which is to get married. Ada, remember your dreams. Remember you love kids, you love to play with kids, and how you love to have yours. Please, do this for the sake of your unborn. At least give one man, just one man, chance in your life.
this doing on my floor in my parlor?
He came with someone.
Who?
Bros.
Who?
Bros.
Who is your bros?
Bros Eric.
What? And you allowed him? Where is he? Where is he?
They're inside.
Inside where? Where is he? Eric!
Babe, I need you to understand that I would never put you through such. And on this day, I promise you true love, peace, and happiness. And that until the day that I die, I would never cheat on you. Please, will you marry me?
Oh, yes! 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 Oh my goodness! I love you too! I love you so much! Oh, babe! Oh, this is so beautiful!
I'm glad you love it.
Baby! How did you know the size of my finger?
I had to find a way around it.
You were just the best! You were the best!
You.
I love you much
I
more.
promise you will never regret this.
Oh, baby. I love you too.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no. That's your little secret. One day, I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Cause last the truth must triumph. Oh, yeah. And leave out the faking and keep it real. And no God they do pass yourself. Yeah. Cause last the truth must triumph. Yeah. If any knows a laser, now I put up with No go they do pass yourself, babe. Because one day, everybody go know why. Nothing is hidden under the sun. No, 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 no. Because one day, nothing is hidden under the sun.